Hey Blake, tell them what you're doing.
Well, I'm going on vacation, and we're taking the truck. So I figure I need a tonneau cover, because I don't want all those luggage and stuff in the cab.
And this is a long bed.
Yeah, 8'2".
Yeah.
And it never has to be made. A little messy, but you know, it's a truck and I use it. So, this is a how to do this. When I figure out how we're doing this, we will show you.
Blake is doing all the work because I am currently hurt.
Yeah.
So I am your cameraman today.
Yeah, because that's under his weight restriction.
Yeah.
So.
You know, I want to get better, so I'm being a good person.
Yeah. So that is the reason why we have a hiatus on videos. So once that is fixed, we have a ton of content coming.
Yeah, lots of stuff.
But it's not really fun doing videos by myself. He's here.
I'm here.
Not chopped liver, but
I'm in spirit. All right.
it looks pretty self-explanatory.
Yeah. I think we did one on our buddy's trip too.
Yeah, it's been a few years. I think they're the same brand too. This is not an expensive soft tonneau cover. I think it was like $3.50. I am gonna put a link on in the comments.
To that brand. Is that the brand?
Not what Amazon said.
Oh, okay.
It looks pretty though, so I don't care.
It looks like it's incredibly long, so
Yeah,
it's the right stuff.
it said it was for my truck. I
Alright.
wasn't too picky, so
Something to keep the rain off the luggage when they go on
Yeah.
vacation.
yeah. I figure if it holds up to 2,500 miles, it did good. I got my money's worth.
Yeah. All right. We'll be back in just a split second.
Yeah.
Blake, what are you doing now?
Ta-da, split second. Bed.
He's gonna clean this Line X.
Yeah, so I'm gonna take some brake cleaner. It's got alcohol in it. They didn't provide any alcohol wipes. I was kind of surprised.
Well, the kit was $350.
I mean, that is cheap.
You got to spend $2,000 to get alcohol wipes.
So sprayed some brake clean on here. Clean this up a little bit. Leave some little
Paper towel fuzzies.
paper towel fuzzies. Okay. Brush them off. Then the kit comes with this stuff.
Double side sticky foam.
Yeah. So what you want to do is not do that. It says to put it, I believe, right here, even and tight with your bed cap.
Yeah, the plastic piece that comes on your truck.
Yeah, and then run that
Here, I'm gonna,
across. Adam's gonna hold that.
and this stuff's sticky, but it's not like the most sticky stuff in the world, people.
Yeah. And like I said, they want it super tight. So I'm gonna basically make it a little long so that when I tuck it down in there, it stays tight against the cap. Just like that.
Ta-da.
Ta-da. Oh, it didn't stick.
Yeah.
Probably because it's too cold out here. I
It-
recommend doing this when it's warmer.
Yeah, it is cold out here, people. It's like 40 degrees. We ain't gotten no snow in Kansas City, but it's still been cold. It's actually been a really warm winter, except for those like 5 days.
Okay. Your next step is to get your rails
Okay,
and put them on like Adam did.
I did not. Well, I put the little aluminum pieces on,
Yeah.
and then Blake's gonna grab the other rail. Oh, and it's these bolts to tighten it down is 1/2 inch. Okay, get yourself a nice little ugga-dugga.
Dugga. It ain't my Milwaukee, but my Makita will work.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna go ahead and take
There's a
this and stick it on the other side. Like so.
and they go on like this. Just boop.
I think it goes right there. Yeah. This one needs to slide back just up here. And go right there.
Even with the bed.
Even with the bed.
Okay.
Okay. All right.
There you go. Do you snug them down now?
I think we have to do some alignment.
Alignment. All right. Well, where's this hockey puck go?
Those go on the corners up there.
Oh, okay. We'll show you that in a little bit. Okay, so everybody, this piece like this is going to get clipped into here on both sides. A little bit at a time.
They stay on the inside, and then we got to pull the seal because it's cold.
Yeah.
And the dang thing is shrinking. Well, we all know how that works.
Sorry, fellas.
And you set this, you're gonna have to pull the seal in further.
Oh, right here.
Wait, no, closer to the bed.
Oh, here.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, we'll be back in 1 second because I need 2 hands to hold the seal. Here we go.
In the corners here, they just kind of slid together. There was an opening. It's very tight, but it slid together.
And you got 2 seals. One that's on here, and one you put on.
Yep. And then make sure that it's flush with your bed opening all the way down.
Let me come out here. I show you.
Okay.
Just like so.
And then this came with 6 clamps. So
Right.
you'll have 3 per side. You'll have one far down here,
And one in the
one
middle.
in the middle on both sides.
Yeah.
So we're gonna put those on.
With your 1/2 inch socket.
And just to make sure, with your truck, before I did this, I did kind of roll this out.
To make-
there was these tubes here. I made sure that they fit between the rails here because that's where they're gonna sit, and they did. So
Yeah.
it's good. So I'm gonna come right back. These clamps, they just
Here, tighten one up. I'll show it. Because you're gonna put that one right there, right?
yeah. So we'll just slide that puppy right in there, like so.
Nice and tight up against the bed.
Just like that.
Boom. It's aluminum. Do not just keep cranking and cranking and cranking.
Well, my bed's aluminum too, so.
Uh-oh. Oh, no.
Aluma duty.
All right. Throw the other ones on and show you.
Yeah. Okay.
Let there be light.
That would be light.
All right, Blake, show them how this works.
Okay, so while it's up like this in storage mode, those straps I told you to leave here, okay, those will hook into these loops. Adam, you might have to turn the flashlight on there because we are losing daylight quickly.
Well, yeah, I got it.
Is it picking it up?
Yeah, I picked it up just
Okay,
fine.
so on that same on both sides. So when you
Yeah.
just drive around, you're actually hauling stuff. That's how you do it.
Okay.
Let's unroll it here and see how this works. And pull it tight while you're unrolling it. Okay, looks like it just goes in there and then just careful with that.
Yeah.
You might bend it.
don't put all your body weight on it. And then it locks into place.
Oh, that worked a lot better. Luckily I have light in there, so
Yeah.
helps.
And to open it back up, you just reach in, push that little button.
Yeah, on both sides.
On both sides, yeah, on both sides.
Let's see here.
Ooh. Close your tailgate. Now, do you put that in before you do the tailgate?
I'm gonna imagine that you
Either way.
you do that, and then
Oh.
you gotta have it in both sides, huh?
Yeah. Okay, this side went down.
Side went down, and then you walk down the sides and make sure your Velcro is down.
Yeah. Give it a good, nice little pat down. Like that. Make sure your corners are good. The corners are very important. Yeah, look at how smooth that is.
I like it. I know Mythbusters said this does not give you better fuel economy, but I'm gonna doubt them. I'm gonna say that they did it on a short bed and this is a long bed. That's just my guess.
Yeah.
So hopefully it'll take my 12 miles to the gallon and get me up to, I'll be like everybody else
20.
online. I'm gonna say I'm gonna get 30 miles to the gallon. At
Yeah.
my 6.2
Yeah.
F250.
31 miles to the gallon.
31 miles to the gallon. From 12 with a tonneau cover.
Yeah.
So, yep. Quick little how-to.
Of
Pretty. Yeah.
this is the brand
Truxport, I guess.
that Amazon does not say it is, I guess, but we will make sure that you get the correct one there on the video.
Yeah, I'm just gonna put the link of what I purchased it off of. I think it was $350 for a long bed. I want to say it was $280 Shana Lady. No, no. I don't remember what it was for a short bed.
Cheaper.
Yeah, it was cheaper. Yeah.
That's it. That's
it.
That's it.
I like it.
So, like, comment, subscribe, leave a nasty comment.
Yeah. All of it helps us.
Smack
Whatever you want to do.
Smack us a little bit.
Yeah.
But
I'm sorry it's been so long.
yeah.
I haven't been hurt. So we'll get some videos coming here soon.
Yeah. We'll see you next time.
Bye.